So we're at sites.google.com. So this is the Google Sites location to start with, and you've logged in on your Gmail, and then you're just going to start a new site. So you click on blank, and once you're in here, you can put a title for the site. You don't have a lot of control over how everything looks, but you do have some control. So I'm going to say this is a demonstration. And you can see how I can change the size of it by determining what kind of title this is, or I can change the box. And I can also put an image up here. So right now it's this black and gray image, which is a little dull, but let's say students doing a presentation of the breeding bird survey and wants a really cool bird picture. So I have some bird pictures that are sitting on a folder I already put together for this, and a friend of mine from high school actually took this cool picture of a tern. So let's just see how that looks up there. That looks pretty nice, doesn't it? And you can move the words around. I'm not going to take the time. Also, you're going to put a site name, and so this is a demo for making a blog, and that will end up going up here. You can also change it here if you want to. When we want to add things to our site, I can add a text box. I add as many of these as you want, and I can type in here. I won't do a lot of typing today, but you can also put in different layouts. So you can put a layout where I would put a picture here, and let's say I'm going to do a topic on a blog on the breeding bird survey. And I can add a little picture in here, so I can upload a picture. If I go to here, I've got the logo for the breeding bird survey, so I can just stick that right here. It's not very nice resolution, so I might like make it a little smaller. I can move this here, and let's say I would like to make a separate page all about the breeding bird survey. So it could be you could put information here, or I could have a new page. So I click on pages, click on the plus sign, new page, and name it. So I'm going to call this BBS for breeding bird survey. Done. And right now I'm in that new page. And to make it clear, I could change the image, or I can keep the same image, whatever you want. I can go, you can see there's a little menu at the top. I can go back to the home page. Now where I've said breeding bird survey, I can add a link there. And that link could take you to the BBS page. So it's going to say, the text is going to say breeding bird survey, but it's going to link to the BBS page. And I might want to do another box with another link to it. I go back to insert and do another box to link, where you can see you could do several across. However you'd want to do it, you can set it up any way you want. When you have decided that you want to save it, it has been saving as you go along, but in order to keep this page, I'm going to have to publish it, and I can click on publish, and I can give it a name. So I can, demo for, and I could just, instead of that, just put blog, demo for blog. Now it's got a URL, sites.google.com/view demo for blog. I can figure out whether I want to make this public or not. I'm not going to publish this right now. If you've been working on a site for a while and you've published it and you go back and you make some more changes, you have to click publish again to publish the changes, and it'll show you the changes, and that way you can figure out what you want to do. There are some themes. I've just got this started off on the simple theme, but let's say I wanted the impression theme, and it'll just put in the different fonts and make the impression theme for you. It's they say you don't have 100% control over things, but it's quick and easy. If students already know how to make a blog, have blogs, I like to let them do their own blog and send me the link. But if students haven't done it, it's very easy to show them how to do this right away, and only takes a few minutes. I walk them through making the blog. So on week 1, we'll set it up and just show some things that I want on the home screen. And then different weeks, we will add different pages and the blog will grow. They'll have the blog available to them after the course is ended. And that way, they tend to have made quite an effort on it and show it to other people. And they're usually quite happy with what they've done. You can adjust some of your settings here. You can share it with others. You can have people work together on things. Once I publish it, click here, you get a link, and that you can send it off to other people.